fucking punch himself.
Dragon.
The fucking punch himself.
Take the pig. The man.
I can't see the DX.
I am not his
Come on, man, shoot, man.
Freedom ya go no
Fuck
TV
you,
DX.
Postman,
No TV DX ya
Fuck
ka
you,
bona.
Postman. Take a photo, man.
Oh, give video. Give video. Yes. Give video.
Eh.
Yes.
Take a photo,
Okay.
man. Fuck your Postman. Don't talk about that.
Yeah, I'm the animal. Animal. Dragon. Misha Kosa. Punisher man.
Fuck you.
Some guys
in my perfume here. I don't know what the fuck was he. He took a stole my perfume in my fucking car. I bust him out, okay?
Meshach is
Fucking
Meshach,
shit,
man.
shit, okay?
Hey, no, it's not the Meshach, man. The punishment. Yes. The punish. The punish is punish. Yes, because it's punish. Kung Fu Punisher. No, Punisher. It's not the Kung Fu man. No, put the next week, man.
These guys are fucking crazy. They are drunk. So I'm gonna fuck all of them. You know. My name is John English. This is my younger brother, the Punisher. You know.
Fuck you, Postman.
Yes.
Just give him a mouth shoot. So
Yeah. Fuck motherfucker, man. No.
some guy stole my perfume. Okay? Those fucking guys behind me. They stole my perfume, okay? They stole my perfume. I only use Atherford number 5, okay? I don't know who the fuck is it. You stole my perfume in my fucking car. I give all the guys they bring in the car. There's a guy coming go. I think it's Tebuhone. Stole my perfume.
Fuck me, man. Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I?
There's someone is the fucking crazy guy. Hey.
I'm the animal. Yes. Who am I?